Hello, I'm Rene Elise Goldsberry. My fifth grade music teacher changed the trajectory of my life. I was the class clown sitting in the back row doing a searing impression of my music teacher trying to teach us a new song. Her head spun around, and after what seemed like an eternity, she said, "Well, looks like we have a singer in the class." She sat me in the front row and started giving me all the solos. And I never looked back. It's almost 40 years later, and I wonder, who would I be without the identity that music teacher gave me in that music class on that day? Without art and its teachers standing in our classroom, our children lose the opportunity to learn and to lead with their God-given strengths. Our strengths can either destroy or they can create. They can distract or they can be the light that leads us forward. New York City, let's make sure that we make the right choice for our children and our future today. Let's put art back in our schools.